Hey my loves, so I'm back with another video and I have not posted in like about almost a year, but I'm back. And then today is this look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what other videos you want me to post down in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. So to start off, I already used the Porefessional by Benefit primer, and I am using the Tarte foundation in the color Ivory mixed with the Chanel in color 40, and I mix them up to make my skin a little bit darker. And then from here, I'm just going with the It brush. You can get this at Ulta for a really good price. It comes with a set of brushes for like $30. Here I'm using the Morphe 350 palette, and I am using this for my crease, and I am using also the It brush that also came in the set. For the second palette that I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and in the shade Creamsicle, I am applying it in my inner corner to create a fallish look. Here I'm using the Morphe 350 palette again, and I'm using the orange shade up on the right corner, and I'm just applying it to my eye. Going back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm using the shade Hunt, and it's kind of like a reddish shade, and I'm just blending it in. Now going back in with the shade Creamsicle, and I'm just applying it to my inner corner to provide a better yellow looking color, and it's just gonna stand out more, and you guys can already see that it's yellow and it just looks better. Here I decided to use the NYX Glitter Brilliants in the shade 02, and there is a primer / glue that comes with it, and you guys can get this at Ulta also. And then here I'm just applying it to the eyes to make a dramatic look. I just also wanted to mention before that, don't mind my palette, it's a little bit dirty because I've been using it a lot and it's been over like years. Here I'm using my eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes, and then after that I'm going with the Stila Mascara, and I'm just applying it to my eyelashes. For my eyelashes, I'm using the Mink eyelashes in D22. I always get them at AliExpress, and I'm using the eyelash glue duo. The highlighter that I use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm just applying it to my cheekbones, my nose, my chin. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. If you guys want to follow me on my social media, they're down here below. And I'll see you guys later.